Something's wrong with that kid. His head don't work, it never did. You better not cross his path. He's a chain-smoking alcoholic sociopath.
We have shrimp fried rice at the function.
If you come.
You're telling me shrimp fried the rice at the function?
Ha 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 ha, those animals are so funny, makes me wanna get hammered. What do you want, boy? Sorry boy, spend the last money on booze. How about you go get your own cough syrup, ungrateful bastard.
Hello, welcome to the pharmacy. How may I help you? We only have 1 mega ultra big buster cough syrup, but it'll cost yet. I had just lost my house and I need another one. So find me a house and you'll get the cough syrup free of charge.
Hey Kevin! What adventure we on for today?
You what?
Sell the family house? Alrighty, let's get to it, Kevster. You coming, Kev? All we have to do is find a for sale sign and bring the guy back. Oh, you crazy sociopath.
Wow, really? For me? Lead the way.
Percy Spencer, how dare you blow up the toilet?
Then go be a real woman and clean it up. Ouch.
You've always been a piece of shit. What did I expect? Who the hell is this jackoff?
This is the house for sale that I will buy, and you're squatting here.
Tell me who sent you.
Wanna on you're hurting me. Dear God, make it spook.
Tell me and I'll stop.
Okay, I'll talk. Your son came to my store asking for cough syrup and he told me he had a house for me to buy in exchange for the cough syrup.
Oh no. Kevin, how dare you sell the house with cough syrup?
Let me punish him.
Whatever.
Because you tried to sell the house, you will smoke these pack of Maverick cigarettes.